Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to day 16 of 30 days of financial wellness with Sapphire Star, Coach Sapphire Star Organized Chaos, where we've helped hundreds of clients get over the shame of money, the stress of living paycheck to paycheck, and boldly walking into the life they deserve and desire by organizing their finances. Welcome back. Welcome back. If you're ready to level up your mind and your money, type yes in the comment section. So today we're going to talk about the second part of the R in the STAR framework, which is to reduce debt and to restore your credit. For those of you that may not be aware that I've created the STAR method to financial freedom and building wealth. And since last week, I've been talking about each letter in the framework, starting with the S, which is shift your money mindset, which is a huge component to beginning your financial wellness journey. Don't stop believing. You have to believe in yourself. There's really no way for this to work and be successful if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't believe that you can become financially free, if you don't believe that you are worthy of wealth. So that's first and foremost. The T is take action. And so on this journey is not enough just to believe. Belief is the first step. But what do you do with that belief? And our beliefs regulates our action. So once you start the train rolling of getting your intentions and your mindset on the same wavelength, the same path of financial freedom and living an abundant life, your actions will begin to line up with that. Because your actions lead to results. Results then feed into your beliefs. And it's this beautiful cycle that keeps going. And you begin to manifest, you begin to attract, you begin to have the very thing that you believe and desire. But require action. Faith without works is what? Type it in the comment section if you're here with me. And so then the A in the STAR framework is hi. I mean, this man was in my mouth. Like to tell me what I had for lunch. The A is allocate your income strategically. And this involves budgeting and saving. Side note, I'm super excited. I'm having an upcoming mini retreat. I'm partnered with Dana at Savannah, I can't even talk, Savannah Wine Institute, and we're having a mini retreat. We don't have the name yet, but in my mind is bougie on a budget without going broke during the holiday season. Do y'all like that title? Is it too long, too short? What do you guys think? But we're going to be focused on budgeting and spending and saving before we go into the holiday seasons, where most people have a tendency to spend way more than they can afford. So if you haven't started a lifestyle of budgeting and saving, there's no better time than now, right? And so the first R is reduce debt, restore credit. Yesterday, I talked about part 1, which is reduce your debt. If you haven't already, check out day 15 in the 30 days of financial wellness on my page. And today we're talking about the second part, which is to restore your credit. I don't like to say repair your credit. I firmly believe that the number one credit repair approach or strategy is credit education. Number one, hands down, because If you just paid someone to fix your credit and you didn't address the behaviors that got you there in the first place, guess what? You're going to be back in the same circumstances that you were in before you paid someone. And so I do credit restoration with my company, Organized Chaos. But again, credit education is our approach. We don't just repair your credit. We go through your reports, we dispute, we take things off, we challenge it, but I am providing education along the way because I don't want to take your money. That's not what I'm in business for. I'm in business to teach, to educate, and for us to pay it forward. And so getting that credit education is very, very important in understanding how credit works. And if you don't know, credit history, your payment history, your payment history and your credit utilization, this represents 65% of your credit score. This is huge. So simply paying your bills on time and not spending more than you can afford, usually 30%. I tell my clients 20% to keep it safe. Below utilization, for example, if you have total, and this is total credit on your credit report, not just one particular credit line, which I still use that same principle for each credit card as well as total. But total, if you had a total credit limit across all your credit lines of $1,000, you never want to spend over $200. That's the 20%, 330%, but you're pushing it once you get to that 30%. So you want to keep your utilization below 30, ideally at 20%. 65% of your score is based on that. And how simple is that? It should be, but it's not always